Hey kids, welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great, let's go.
We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going.
Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all